Sometimes your writing teacher might want to schedule a special few hours when you can do a writing activity that the teacher can actually watch you completing through the internet. In Blackboard, the teacher cannot see your work until you submit at the end. But with this open website, there is a way to do that. And I've shared a link with my students, and I told them that at 8 o'clock on Wednesday morning, they need to start an activity. And I'm going to send them a link. It's going to look a lot like this link right here. It will start out with board.net, and then we'll have special codes for my class, and then we'll have a name and a number. And when I click on this link, I go to this special page that is just for me and my student to use. First, Blackboard requires me to click 2 times to open up the page. When I get to the page, it will look like this. And it's a very simple page that the website has allowed me to create. The teacher might put a question on the top for you, or might ask you to write about something special to do your assignment here. This teacher wrote a topic, compare and contrast 2 cities. Since the teacher was visiting the page, the text is marked in a pink color because everybody who works on the page gets a special color. So all of your work will be shown in a special color, and that way there will be no confusion about who is working on the page. Did the teacher write that comment, or did you write that text? Your teacher might put some questions here for you to answer. While you're doing your assignment, the teacher might visit this page and look at your work and give you some ideas or suggestions. Let's say the teacher wants to make a comment about this text over here. Then the teacher will use the comment button and say something to you, and that will appear as a comment on the side of the page that you can click on and read. The teacher can also use a chat box to communicate to you directly while you are working on your assignment or activity. Here the commented text got changed to yellow, and when I put my cursor over that text, my comment appears automatically there. Your teacher will probably set a deadline of a few hours for you to do this, and when the deadline is over, the page is still open, so you could keep working on it. And most teachers know that, and they will make a copy of the page so that they can give you a grade for what you did during the assigned period of time, those hours when the teacher asked you to work on this assignment. A lot of teachers will put their grades and comments right onto this page at some time after the assignment period is done. So this page is a open working space, and this website service is very generous. They're letting anyone come here and create new pages based on new addresses. So in this example, if you look up at the top at the address here, I've got the name of my course, I've got my teacher name is right there, Morrow, and then I have a student named John over here, and at the end of John's name I put 2 numbers, 64. So Maybe the next time, next week, I'll tell John, I want you to do this again, but I want you to not use number 64. I want you to use number 37. Any number. It really doesn't matter. Okay, John, I want you to use page 89. This page doesn't exist yet, but all John has to do is change those last two numbers and press enter, and the website will create the page for him. So the page is very simple, but it does everything that we need to complete an activity, and as long as the teacher knows what the new page is and you know what the new page is, you change those last two numbers, well, the teacher and the student can both share this page, and any work they do will be given a special color. I hope this helps you use these shared open pages for live interactive writing through the internet.